Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So, 24-hour script, let's get right into today's very special video. We are going to be opening up a live trade. Well, hopefully it fills very soon. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do this. If you guys signed up with my link past couple days ago, you would have received a $30 welcome bonus. No deposit required. If you guys haven't already, link in the description down below. Use my link. You will receive a $30 welcome bonus with no deposit required. It'll be deposited into your account within 72 hours. So take a look at what we're going to be doing here. I don't recommend trading for anybody that is not comfortable doing so. It is very risky. You could lose all your money. I've lost a lot. I've made a lot. But at the end of the day, it is not for everybody. Currently, I'm not using any kind of TA. I'm just kind of going based off of what I believe is going to happen. In the short term, it is speculation. Okay, at the end of the day, trading is all speculation and everybody trades differently. So currently I have a limit order to buy XRP. I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do it. So let's go ahead and cancel this, but I'm still going to go in at 61 cents. So there's two types of orders. There's a market buy and a limit buy. And market buy means you are going to go into the trade right away at this market price. So if I open along right now, it will open right away. However, a limit buy is only going to trigger that price and fill your bags once it reaches that level. So for us, and what I'm going to be doing is 0.6131 is going to be the target price. I'm also going to be looking over this here and there throughout the day just in case to see what happens. I may increase it a little bit or decrease it a little bit. And the leverage we're using today is very high. I don't recommend anybody to do it. It is 53 leverage. I recommend, new beginners, 8, 7, 5, even those are kind of high, but I'm going to go all in on this one. I'm going to go heavy because I think we're going to wick down and come right back up because XRP is holding a very strong resistance. There's a lot of resistance down there and I believe it'll come right back up. So we're going to go ahead and do a 54X actually. Let's just do that, confirm it. And as you could see, my order is now worth 51,000 XRP. I'm going to go ahead and open this long. And now this is where my entry point will be. As soon as this bad boy comes down, it'll fill my bags. And what we are hoping for is maybe it'll come down a little bit more, but we're hoping for it to go right back up and start consolidating and just kind of make its way back up again. But even if we zoom out to the 4-hour time frame, there's a lot of wicks that it just kept coming right up, right? So there's a lot of resistance right here. It's created a foundation here, and I believe that it'll stay in this channel and then work its way up. I think it's a fair trade. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys haven't already, link in the description down below, a $30 bonus just for signing up, no deposit required. Let me know what you guys are doing in the comments down below. But like I said, very risky, not financial advice. Don't do this if you don't feel comfortable losing your money. But the $30 you can kind of play around with because it's risk-free since it is the welcome bonus. With that being said, folks, I do appreciate every single one of you guys. Questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get to it. And we will be back with our second video later on today.